BioSculpture Trial Pack Application Guide. By choosing the right base and builder gel, you're not just creating a beautiful manicure, you're helping the nails grow stronger. Our manicure system. A typical BioSculpture manicure includes 5 key layers. 1 layer of base gel, 1 layer of builder gel, 2 coats of colour, and 1 final layer of gloss. Prescriptive application. Our prescriptive system allows you to customise your application to suit each client. With a full spectrum of gels for flexible, normal, or hard nails, you can select the perfect product for their nail type. Please follow the link in the description for more information on the gel spectrum. What's in your trial kit? Bottle and brush trial kit, flex base, contour base and build, colour, gloss top coat. Pot and brush trial kit, base gel, builder gel, premium synthetic No. 6 round brush, colour, gloss gel. Combined trial kit, base gel, flex base, contour base and build, bottle and brush colour, gloss top coat, pot of colour, premium synthetic No. 6 round brush. Application. The same BioSculpture application method is used for both systems, whether it's pot and brush or bottle and brush. Please refer to your information card for trial kit curing times, as these vary between products. Base layer application. Pick up a small amount of gel on your brush. Apply firm pressure in the centre of the nail and press the product into the nail plate, then cap the free edge. Flip your brush and use lighter pressure to smooth the layer and even out any ripples, then cure. Build a layer. Holding your brush at a 25-degree angle, apply a smooth layer over the cured base and pull it over the free edge, and cure. Additional BioSculpture training covers shape correction using this layer. After curing, wipe with cleanser, then lightly refine the surface to ensure proper colour adhesion. Colour application. For pot colours, stir gently in a figure of 8 motion using a metal stirrer. For bottles, shake well before use. Layer 1. Apply a thin, tidy coat close to the cuticle and sidewalls using overlapping strokes. Gently cap the free edge and cure. Layer 2. Apply a slightly thicker coat using a lighter touch to bring out full colour intensity, and cure. Finish and shine. Seal the manicure with gloss gel or gloss top coat and cure. Let the nails rest for 30 seconds, then remove the inhibition layer using cleanser and a nail wipe. Finish the treatment with BioSculpture cuticle oil and BioSculpture hand moisturiser. Need help? For more information on how to achieve the perfect BioSculpture manicure, please get in touch via phone, emails or socials.